Capturing your screen on a Chromebook can be surprisingly simple and efficient, unlocking endless possibilities for sharing content. Whether you want to snap a full screen, a specific window, or just a part of your display, we've got you covered. Utilizing keyboard shortcuts is one of the fastest ways to take screenshots. They're intuitive and designed for quick access. Sometimes you only need to capture a specific part of your screen. For this, a partial screenshot is perfect. To do this, press Shift plus Ctrl plus Show Windows. For those times you only need a partial view, select the area you want by dragging after pressing Shift plus Ctrl plus Show Windows. The Screen Capture toolbar enhances your screenshot experience, providing additional options for recording and quick access to tools. Prefer visual cues. The Quick Settings menu allows you to take screenshots without memorizing any complex shortcuts, streamlining the process. With tools to edit and enhance your screenshots, you'll discover how to elevate your Chromebook usage. Happy screenshotting!